Today I will show you some new essential lathe and mill tools for high accuracy work. Also how to set up 3 types of steady rest: bearing fixed steady rest, metal fixed steady rest and the follow rest. These are the new essential lathe and mill tools for higher accuracy. We have 4 measuring vernier calipers, the very long one till the very small one. We have the tool post caliper. We have angle measurement over here. Over here we have the mill fly cutter, also used for tailstock broaching with those tools. We have here steady rest, 3 types. Plastic fixed steady rest, that's a black one with bearings on it. We have the metal fixed steady rest, that is this one. And then we have the follow metal rest, that's this one. And I will demonstrate that. We can mount a workpiece directly into the chuck, like this, for short work. But with longer work pieces, like this, it is unstable and it bends while cutting, so we need a tailstock for that. Fixating it, putting some oil in here, lock it, and we can turn on the lathe and start cutting into the material. For large workpieces with a hole in it, we cannot use the small life center. It does not fit, so we need another. So we first put the workpiece into the chuck. It has to move like this. We put in the life center like this and we lock it. So, and now we can turn the machine on. And it's perfect centered. When the plastic workpiece is fixed and centered, we put in the plastic steady rest with bearings in like this. The lower bearings, push them up like this. Fix them. Take the bottom piece, put it inside. Put in the bolt. So it's in all this place. Tighten the bolt at the bottom. Lower the bolt at the top onto the workpiece and tighten this bolt too until it is fixed. Now we can remove the tail life center and it is fixed. Can put in the inner tool post and now we can start with the lathe and turn on the inside like this, and we can start cutting the material from the inside until the inner diameter is correct. I now have an aluminum workpiece, very long, but I only have to work on this end, so I fixed it into the chuck, centered it with the tailstock life center, and I cannot work on this end, otherwise it will bend and it will knock my chuck. So I have to use this fixed steady rest and put it over here, lock it in place like this, and now put it on the fingers like this. Put on this finger as well. Put on this finger as well. Lock the bolts. Now I have to put some oil on it for lubrication. And start spinning the motor. Next time I will show you automatic drilling with a rotary head controller. See you next time.